Good morning, and I quote chapter 5 of Charlotte's Web. Our speaker is Pastor Dan Enriquez de Jesus. We're not blood related. Ang trivia, may kambal. Yung anak ng isa, si Pastor Dan. Yung anak ng isa, yung music faculty natin, si Ma'am Esther Virginia Alfonso, si Lola Jean. So our speaker is a Phidias alumnus, married to our alumna, Ate Yoli. They're blessed with 4 children and 6 grandchildren. Our speaker is a writer. Editor siya ng maraming books. Ang sample, book ni Dr. Vicente siya, book ni Reverend Mike Lacanilao, book ni Dr. Ed Bansuelo, and book ni Dr. Anacleto Cara. Editor din siya ng isa sa mga favorite Sunday School curriculum. Isa sa mga favorite ko, PSSP, Philippine Sunday School Publication. And editor din siya ng isa sa mga favorite na devotional book ko, Scripture Union. Sabi sa last line ng Charlotte's Web, and I quote, "It is not often that someone comes along who is a true friend and a good writer. Charlotte was both." The end. It is not often that someone comes along who is a true friend and a good writer. Pastor Dan is both. The end.